OneLightBulb.org, the group putting on this event. Jeff, thank you for being here today. We appreciate it.
Thank you, Scott, for having me.
Yeah, tell me, let's say I'm a typical homeowner. I'm interested in green things. Why should I come to this expo? What will I see?
Well, we have a very large variety of sustainable product and service companies. It's really fascinating for me to see the different types of companies that are out there. And this is our third expo here. It's our second down in this area. And what a lot of the attendees have told me is that they were really glad we put on an event like this because they were able to learn about companies they didn't even know existed. They now know about these alternatives. Right. So it's exciting.
And these are photos from last year's event. You have a new location this year, and I bet a lot more companies. There's a lot more green companies out there this year, just a year later.
Yeah, there is. You know, I've seen a lot of change over the last couple of years. When you look at a company like General Electric, just shut down the last incandescent light bulb manufacturing plant in the U.S., and a lot of that was driven by demand destruction. People are buying more compact fluorescent light bulbs. So there's a fundamental shift going on, and one of the things we're doing is trying to kind of push that shift, push that trend, and make those options available for consumers in the local market.
And then quickly, OneLightBulb.org. What is that site? What can you tell me about it?
OneLightBulb.org is our nonprofit organization. We're focused on, my model is like sustainability for dummies. You know, there's so many options out there, and it's hard to figure it out. And sometimes it's hard just to figure out how to change a light bulb and what type. And so that's where this whole thing started. But it's grown into a much bigger, more impactful thing as we bring the whole community together, chambers of commerce and educational institutions and that. So.
Well, again, it happens this Saturday, October 2nd at Roberts Arena in Sarasota. If you want more information, we've put a link to the website that gives you all of that on ours. Go to mysuncoast.com and then click onto the Living Green page for the link to the expo website. Jeff, thank you again for being here, and good luck this weekend, okay?
Yep, thank you.
We'll be right back.